The Saramonic UwMic9 is an incredibly flexible wireless microphone system. It's unique in that one receiver can connect to 2 transmitters. And it's expandable with an XLR transmitter and dedicated handheld mic. It delivers broadcast quality sound at a remarkably affordable price. It's perfect for capturing interviews, film dialogue, online video, broadcast TV, and news gathering. First, we'll take a look at the UwMic9 dual wireless lavalier system. It's a complete 2-person wireless microphone kit that works right out of the box. It comes with the RX9 2-channel receiver and 2 durably built TX9 transmitters. The system is truly versatile. It allows you to connect both TX9 transmitters to the RX9 receiver. The included omnidirectional lavalier mics lock into the transmitter so they can't get unplugged. All the components are extremely compact and easy to use. Not to mention, the durable all-metal body ensures you're fully prepared for the rough and tumble world of production. And they sound amazing.
Bianca, tell us about your new book. When did you become a life coach?
I started personal training about 5 years ago.
The RX9 headphone output allows you to monitor audio directly from the receiver when your camera doesn't include a headphone output. The UwMic9 system provides reliable UHF operation with up to 330-foot operating distance. And if you ever encounter interference, an easy-to-use auto-scan feature on the RX9 will find the clearest available channel for you. And built-in infrared sync makes matching channels between units seamless. The backlit display makes adjustments easy in any condition, and the easy-to-understand menus and controls make using the whole system a snap. Optional transmitters are available that enable you to expand the UwMic9 system in truly impressive ways.
And I also heard you're bilingual.
Effectivement, je suis née à Paris et le français est ma première langue.
Oui, oui.
The Saramonic HU9 is a handheld microphone with a UwMic9 compatible transmitter built into its sleek chassis. It's just as easy to set up and use as any other UwMic9 component, and it sounds amazing.
Now, Bianca, does everyone wear makeup before they work out?
Does every host have perfect hair?
Well,
the Saramonic TX XLR9 is a plug-on transmitter that makes any kind of XLR mic wireless. It can supply 48 volts of phantom power to condenser mics, like the Saramonic SRTM1 or the SRTM7 shotgun. Its XLR connector securely locks the mic in place, and it shares the same infrared sync and ease of use as all the other UwMic9 components. There are also a wide selection of optional output cables available that let you connect the RX9 receiver to smartphones, tablets, action cameras, computers, and more. Easily connect iPhones and iPads via the Lightning connector, other smartphones and tablets via the USB Type-C ports, or via the phone's TRRS headphone jack. Even connect a PC or Mac via the USB-A port. Easily connect to cameras large and small. From cameras with XLR inputs to DSLR or mirrorless with 1/8 inch inputs, or action cameras with mini USB. If you don't need 2 separate wireless mics today, Saramonic also offers affordable kits with 1 wireless mic that you can upgrade in the future if you need to. For example, this kit includes the single transmitter with lavalier and the same dual receiver. This kit includes the 2-channel receiver and handheld wireless mic. You can easily add to either of these kits with any UwMic9 transmitter. The bottom line is that the Saramonic UwMic9 system delivers outstanding audio quality. Every word of this video was recorded with these mics. This system offers unrivaled flexibility and incredible ease of use, all for a remarkable value.